In this quick Shopify tutorial, I will show you how we can add our Shopify footer menu links in a new tab. So if you are using Dawn theme and you have some links in the footer, and if you are clicking on it, it is not opening in a new tab. It in your case will be open in the same tab. But how we can achieve this, as well as how to open those privacy policy links in the bottom as well in the copyright area to a new tab as well. This is what we will see in this video. So let's begin with the tutorial. First of all, we will come to online store and then click themes. Then for your safety purpose, click on this three dot and duplicate the theme before editing any code. Then click on edit code and then go to sections and find footer.liquid. Okay, footer.liquid, and scroll down a little bit more. Okay, and little bit more, and after that you will find here is an option called link list. Please do check this out very carefully, and here is an option called ahref. Okay, and you will find the link in the description, and just copy that part, target comma underscore blank. Okay, and come here, and after this quotation mark, paste this part of the code here. Okay, please make sure that you are putting this part of the code in that right place, unless it will not work. Click on save. Now if we refresh the page, and as you can see, these are our two menus for privacy. If I click on it, now it will work perfectly. Okay, but for some people you may want to link this to new tab as well, these privacy policy pages, if you are using Dawn theme as well. So let's see how we can do that. In the same footer.liquid file, scroll down at the bottom of the page where you will find a class name copyright content, and for that as well, just copy the code from here that we did in the past and just paste it after the double quotation. Okay, then click on save to make those in the new tab as well, like the menu option from the top. Okay, now if I refresh it and if I click on it, it will also open in a new tab. So this is how you can link your footer menu privacy policy pages in a new tab.